Dr. Tara Lalvani is a beauty tech entrepreneur. Her innovative and award-winning Beautifect box has been called the Rolls-Royce of vanity cases. It quickly became a hit with A-list celebrities like Bella Hadid and Camila Cabello. Dr. Tara and I have been pen pals basically on email for a few years because I became obsessed with your Beautifect box, and you were in town from London, and I'm like, Tara, you need to come here and show us exactly in person what you do with your makeup products. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me. It's amazing to be here watching it on TV all these years, so it's exciting to be in the studio.
So, Tara, what I didn't realize was you started as a dentist.
That's right.
How did you get into the beauty world?
So actually I was a dentist for 11 years, and I wasn't looking for a business. I was simply looking for a solution. I was fed up of having to be tied down to one place, doing my makeup every single day with poor lighting, with everything all disorganized in one messy makeup bag. And when I couldn't find a solution, I decided to create one, and that's the moment that Beautifect was born.
I love it. We have the new box.
Yes.
Tell us a little bit. Show us some of the highlights.
So this is a solution I needed. So what we've developed here is the leading lighting technology in the industry. So the lighting simulates real environments, from evening light through to office, studio, daylight, bright sun. Just a touch of a button, you can go through different settings, and you've got everything combined into one case that you can store your makeup inside. You've got a magnifying mirror as well that you can attach to the main mirror and use it anywhere along the top. You can use that. And then the mirror angles to any position. So whether you're sitting with it on your lap, whether you're sitting with it on a desk, on your bed on a lazy Sunday morning.
It's genius.
Back of the taxi like this morning.
And I saw Bella Hadid was on like some jet, and she put it, I guess, on her stories or something, that she was using the Beautifect.
That's right. I mean, I think the reach has been incredible. In just 3 years since launching, it's gone global, and luckily it wasn't just me that needed this solution. I think a lot of people were struggling with the same problem.
So this is something new.
Yes, so this is the Beautifect Glow Mirror. So this has been incredible. It's actually been voted the #1 makeup mirror with lights in the industry. So that was really exciting award for it, but it truly is game-changing.
Because it also has different lighting changes,
it does.
right?
So you can simulate evening, daylight, and bright sun. It's got the removable magnifying mirror ×5 magnification that you can attach there for close-ups. It's also portable as well, USB Type-C rechargeable. Both these products you can use on the move. You not even tied down to a plug point. So this lasts you up to 1 month of use. Which is incredible.
When you charge.
So it's just all about convenience, and you end up doing your makeup in half the time with half the effort, and you look twice as good.
I love that.
Doesn't need that.
I have to say, one thing I'm obsessed with: this little blender, because I use foundation every day for work. I don't know what you did, but it feels so good on your skin. What is it about this?
So in one blender, we've managed to get 3 edges. So we've got the round surface, the flat, and the pointed. So you can use this one blender for your whole face. Again, it's all about saving space and saving time. And like you said, your foundation goes on like it's flawless. Airbrush finish. It's amazing. And its own little pod to store it as well.
Oh, that's so cute. Now I'm like, what is Tara doing now?
So this is actually just launched last week, so hot off the press. This is the bamboo face cloths. So I'll let you open these. Let's see these. These are bamboo infused, so they're really luxurious and really soft to your skin. Have a feel of that. So you've got 3 cloths in this pack, and actually a little hack with bamboo is it's really good for removing fake tan as well, someone told me.
Okay.
So it's a little bit of a hack.
It feels fantastic. It really has a great feel. And then last but not least, love your tweezers. This is new. You have
the nail file, the crystal glass nail file. So for us, it's all about when we're creating products, it's all about the design of the product, the innovation, and the performance. So not only does it look beautiful, obviously it comes in this beautiful vegan leather case, it smooths your nails for a perfect finish. Our tweezers remove the finest of hairs from the root tip, first time, every time. They don't pinch the skin, and they don't cause any redness. They literally work like they're magic. So these are incredible.
I have to say, she's got some of the best beauty tools out there. How can people find out more about this and purchase?
So in the US, we're on our website, beautifect.com. We've got everything on there. We do very fast shipping across all different states. And yeah, Instagram as well, of course, TikTok. Yeah, I think all the handles are there.
I know. We follow you on Instagram and TikTok, and it's so nice to meet you in person. Dr. Tara Lalvani, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me.
Good Day New York coming right back.